Hey everybody, it's Julianne here at Cary Quilting, and today I'm going to show you the quick way to make 8 half square triangles and 2 quarter square triangles for use in our Quilters Trek project for 2020. The project, you may remember, is called the Octopus One, and I'm just going to show you how I've prepared my fabrics, and in the next section of this video I'll show you how to sew, cut, trim, and complete the blocks. So here you see I have 4 8.5-inch squares and 2 4.5-inch squares, and I've layered these up. So let's see. There's the right side of the darker fabric and the right side of the lighter fabric. And on the back side of the lighter fabric, I've drawn diagonal lines just using a regular lead pencil. These lines are going to end up in the seam allowance, and really I'm going to cut right through them. So I'm not too concerned about the type of marking tool I'm using on these. So I've gone ahead and drawn those diagonal lines on all 4 of the larger squares, and then on the smaller squares for the quarter square triangles, you just start with 1 diagonal line. So in the next section, I'll show you how we sew those together.